FluentPro Backup is a cloud-based platform that protects project management system data. You can schedule an automatic backup of your Monday.com boards in just a few simple steps. When you sign up for FluentPro Backup, an onboarding wizard will open. You can immediately add your first Monday.com environment and schedule a backup. Click the Add Environment button. FluentPro Backup supports multiple environments for the backup. Select Monday.com from the list. An API token is required to add the Monday.com environment to FluentPro Backup. This can be generated and copied on the admin page. Users without admin permissions can create and copy a personal access token in the developers menu by selecting My Access Tokens. Click Connect and Continue. Select the Backup Content option. You can either include all the boards from your Monday.com system, only the selected ones, or select all and ignore the ones you don't need. Workspaces for selected boards, all users, and teams will also be backed up. Click Next. Now you can define the schedule for the backup for both modified and unmodified boards. Click Save. Your first backup is now scheduled to run. You can monitor the backup process details and progress on the summary page. Alternatively, open the Operation Details page to track the backup status. All your critical board data will be fully protected in a few minutes, and you can restore your data when needed. For more information about FluentPro Backup, please visit our website or contact our sales team.